Speaking Test Part 2. Talk about a place that you have visited that has a rich cultural history.
I would like to talk about my visit to Rome, Italy, a city renowned for its rich cultural history. Rome is an extraordinary destination that captivated me with its fascinating past and remarkable cultural heritage. Exploring this ancient city was like stepping into a time machine and being transported back to the days of the mighty Roman Empire. One of the most iconic landmarks in Rome is the Colosseum, a colossal amphitheater that stands as a testament to the grandeur and engineering prowess of ancient Rome. As I stood before this magnificent structure, I couldn't help but marvel at the architectural genius behind its construction. Imagining the gladiatorial contests and spectacles that took place within those walls brought history to life before my eyes. Another remarkable site I visited was the Roman Forum, a sprawling archaeological complex that served as the center of political, social, and commercial life in ancient Rome. Walking through its ancient ruins, I could sense the echoes of past civilizations, imagining the vibrant marketplace bustling with merchants and the grand speeches delivered in the Senate. During my stay in Rome, I also had the opportunity to visit the Vatican City, the spiritual and administrative heart of the Roman Catholic Church. The Vatican museums, with their extensive collection of priceless art and historical artifacts, left me awestruck. Standing in the Sistine Chapel, gazing at Michelangelo's breathtaking ceiling frescoes, was an unforgettable experience that left me with a deep appreciation for the beauty of human creativity. Moreover, Rome's historical charm extends beyond its famous landmarks. The city's narrow cobbled streets, adorned with ornate fountains, picturesque squares, and charming cafes, create a unique atmosphere that blends the past with the present. Every corner of Rome seemed to hold a story. Visiting a place with such a rich cultural history was not only educational but also deeply inspiring. It allowed me to gain a profound understanding of the achievements and contributions of ancient civilizations and their impact on the world today. In conclusion, my visit to Rome, with its remarkable historical sites and vibrant cultural heritage, was an enriching journey through time. Exploring the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Vatican City gave me a glimpse into the past and ignited my fascination for ancient civilizations.